more to go. Ooh, one is out of the track, but the rocket can't. He's still on the front of the locomotive. And it almost stuck, but the train driver didn't notice. I'll stop the train with the penguin. That train is almost stuck. Now let's wait for its coming to get off that rocket on the front of the locomotive. Ugh. Oh, he can't. Uh-oh. Hurry, it's coming. Oh, too late. And the rocket just landed on the part of the track. But we can see the locomotive is coming. Wow, without being hit. It's coming. Oh, and it got derailed. Not just the penguin got hit by a train, only the part of the iceberg where the penguin got caught on the train and got derailed.